Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to change a 92 Honda Civic hatchback rear wiper. Now it's one piece, so you'd have to order the whole assembly online, and I've been having a problem trying to find the whole thing. I'll spend an arm and a leg, so I'll show you how to do it nice and easy. Back here, Duralast 12-inch wiper, $10. Alright. I'm going to take the old one, I'm going to slide the rubber out of it. This is a rubber piece, I'm going to slide it out. I'm going to take the Duralast one, we're going to slide the rubber out of this one. You don't need this part, you just need the rubber. And it has two metal things, so make sure you keep the metal things in. Both sides. I don't know what that does, but we're going to make sure we keep them. Alright, so now we're going to take this right here and we're going to slide this in. Bam. The reason why I'm making this video is because I couldn't find any information on the internet, so I'll show you exactly how I do it. Alright, and now we have successfully changed the wiper blade on a 92 Civic hatchback. Thanks for watching. Share so all of your friends know how to do this.